What's up guys, welcome to today's video. It's going to be a quick one, but this is super cool. A guy by the name of AIG and Sergey Kritsky, the guy who made Cablerator, as well as a suggestion by a guy in my Discord named Andreas, came up and created this really cool script that aligns two objects in such a way that it takes like the midpoint and calculates exactly how to align them together. So basically just go in the description and grab the Gumroad link. You can download the script for free. So maybe we're blocking out a mech or something, right? And usually what we'd do is we'd want to have like some sort of leg here, right? We'd come in and we could just scale this up on the local Z, something like this. This is a very rough draft obviously, but you know, you'd do something like this. And this works, but it's not necessarily 100% mathematically precise based off of the position of these two things. So as a result of this add-on here, what we can actually do is take three objects. Maybe I'll just take a cube. I can literally scale it up like this, and all I need to do is select the first object, the second object, and then the third object here that I want to align. What you need to do is you need to take the script and you need to pull down a new panel, go to the text editor here, and basically all you do is you drag and drop in that script. If someone wants to make this into like a button, I'm not a programmer, so I don't want to be bothered with this. So if someone a bit more smart than me wants to make this into a button somehow, then I'd love if you did that. But basically what you do is you drag in this script, and now all you do is you run it and check this out. It perfectly aligns this guy based off of the midpoint at a perfect angle. So this is a lot more accurate, especially if you're doing like mechanical designs. You might want some more kind of you know, mathematical accuracy there. I don't know, but this looks a lot better than my original guess, which is like right here, and it just looked awful. This one just gets it done right for you off the bat. We'll do it one more time. Maybe we have like another joint over here, right? A bigger one. Like I said, rough draft, so don't yell at me about, you know, structural integrity. I'm just demonstrating. So we take this piece, and then we'll do another one. What we can do is do the same thing. We might want to make a duplicate on this case though. So duplicate this one, maybe the original one will scale up a bit, I don't know. And this guy we can simply move over here, 1, 2, 3, run the script, and there we go. It is a bit annoying to have to go in the script section here, so if someone has a solution to kind of embed it into a button somehow and knows Python, I don't know Python, so if someone wants to, you know, maybe take care of that, I'd appreciate it. Either way though, this is super cool. I don't mind hopping into the script editor for this because it's very useful and very particular. So I'll have a link in the description. It's literally just a Pi file, so you download it off Gumroad and you just drag and drop the Pi into your text editor and then run the script that way. So it's pretty cool. I don't think I can complain too much. It does what I need it to do. So shout out to those guys, and if you guys have like a buck or two to donate them, I'm sure they'd appreciate it and it'll help the community members out. So hope this provides you value, and until the next video, I'll see you then.